오늘 밤은 유난히 추워 가만히 밤하늘을 또다시 보고 있어 벌써 1년이 지나 아련하게 다가와
Hey guys, it's Hi Twins! In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys a really cute makeup look inspired by the main protagonist from the story True Beauty. We are big fans of the webtoon True Beauty. We've actually been reading True Beauty for about a year now. I think it came out on the app Webtoon, and we absolutely loved it. It's one of our favorite webtoons to read. Even our little sister reads True Beauty, right? Yeah. We're all obsessed with it, and we were super excited when the True Beauty live action drama came out. We've been watching it. I don't know if you guys have been watching it, but yeah, we're huge fans. I haven't done a Korean makeup look in a while, so I was really excited to do a video where I kind of try to recreate the protagonist makeup look. But I said, you know what, my sister has beautiful long hair and it's kind of like this nice light brown color. Well, hers is a little bit more of a kind of golden blonde color rather than like the actress. The actress has more of a lighter brown hair. But anyway, I said, you know what, it worked perfectly and we can do videos together because my sister doesn't really do a lot of makeup videos. She does more of the baking videos. So I said, you know what, why don't we do a video together and I can do your makeup. So this is obviously how it turned out. I hope you guys really like the look. Keep on watching if you guys want to see how I recreated this look. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I start off by doing my sister's eyebrows. I'm using this light brown color, this eyebrow pencil, and I feel like it worked really well for her hair color. I didn't want to use a black colored eyebrow pencil just because I knew that that wasn't going to work for her. So I feel like that's very important. Definitely use a shade that works with your hair color. Now I made sure that her eyebrows were in your typical Korean straight brows just because I noticed that the main character or the actress in True Beauty, she has your typical Korean straight eyebrows. IU is a very well-known artist in Korea who has these straight eyebrows and she totally rocks them. So yeah, that's kind of what I was trying to focus on. I'm nothing special, just making sure that they were more like straight, and I used a little brush to make sure that they were just more like your Korean straight eyebrows. Next was the actual eyeshadow. So I'm using this very light peach color from my palette, Just Peachy Mattes. I'm using this very light shade. I know that peach tone eyeshadow is quite popular in Korea, particularly in the springtime. But I noticed that the actress in True Beauty, the protagonist, she uses a lot of peach tones for her makeup. So I really wanted to focus this eye makeup on peach tones. I'm using the color Peaches and Cream. As you guys can see here, you guys can find a shade similar to that. You guys don't need to get this palette, but I thought this color would work perfectly for my sister, and I really wanted to use this color because I know it works well for all skin colors, so I knew that it was going to work well for everyone, so you guys can try it out. If you guys don't have a peach colored eyeshadow, then you guys can find something similar to it, maybe something more on warm tones with a hint of pink. I do know that the actress has a lot of those kind of pink girly colors, so that's kind of what I want to focus on. Then I'm using black liquid eyeliner. I feel like this is a very key component to the eye look. It's going to make her eyes look bigger, and I noticed that the actress uses typical like puppy dog eye look. The eyeliner tends to go, it's either like straight or more like downward. It's like winged downward. It's not like high like your typical American eyeliner, like the cat eye look. It's more the cutie vibe. And I'm finally using some black mascara for the upper and lower lashes. I think this is really important. This is because if you don't want to use your fake eyelashes, then this is definitely going to make your eyes pop, make them look bigger, more doll-like, and you don't need to be buying any fake eyelashes. I feel like this is a very cute, very natural vibe, and I feel like it's a really important step to take. Finally is my favorite part, the blush. I'm using this light pink blush for her cheeks. I'm putting them directly on her cheeks and not on her cheekbones. I know that this is sort of like a trend in the US to kind of start putting on the cheekbones, but I wanted to make it look more doll-like. As you guys can see here, these Korean girls, they tend to do this sort of, I feel like more doll-like, cutesy vibe tends to be directly on the cheek. So that's kind of what I wanted to focus on. And of course, give it the more sort of doll-like feel. And now finally, I'm putting some pink lipstick on my sister's lips. I thought that this shade worked really well for her. I noticed that the actress uses this very almost pink, almost like hot pink color
color, so I thought this color would work really well. I wanted to use kind of a lot of warm tones, so like cute pink colors and peaches, because I think it's a very cutesy, feminine, girly look that I think works with all different styles, and this really finishes off the look.
So much fun doing this video. I love doing her makeup. I'd always wanted to do her makeup, and I was super excited to do this cute Korean look. This look works really well for all sorts of styles, I think. It works obviously for a cutesy look, but I love the shades of peach and pink in her makeup. What I really like is that the main focus for this makeup look was the color peach. I did a nice peach tone onto her eyeshadow. I feel like the color peach works for all different skin colors, so I think that this makeup look will work for everyone. That's why I absolutely love this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe even try this makeup look for yourselves. Let us know how your True Beauty makeup look turned out. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had so much fun making it, like my sister said. Please make sure to check out our Instagram, where we're going to be posting a couple new pictures. We're really excited about them, so we're working really hard, so please make sure to check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!